I believe we are the only program in the country that now has possession of one of these robot arms that was gifted to us. It's a large piece of hardware that allows students to do some tabletop cinematography.
So this one here is the Mia. It's the smallest of the robot arms, and the advantage of the Mia, not only is its smaller size, so it's easier to move in and out of spaces and get into a house or a smaller studio. It also can plug into regular household power.
We think this donation really will take us forward kind of into the next phase of cinema production for our program. This is where cinema is going. The use of robotics, the use of different technologies that go beyond handheld cameras really enables a different kind of phase of production work for our cinema students.
Not every student here wants to do long-form narrative, tabletop stuff, and this just kind of provides them an industry standard to which to kind of develop their skills, hone their skills, and bring to the marketplace in 4 years.
And so it's been a great collaboration with George Fox in the Cinematic Arts program, being able to come over here and work with students. And I've had several students who have ended up coming out and helping me on shoots and eventually becoming super valuable crew members on the team, so it's been awesome.
I think the students are going to have great fun with this. I think once they get used to it and adept to using it, learn the different skill sets for using it, I think the imaginations are going to run wild for how to use this in different shoots.